In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new template theme on Xero Invoice. We'll walk through this together on screen so you can follow along in your own Xero account. The goal here is to set up a new invoice branding theme that you can reuse, instead of editing every invoice one by one. This is especially helpful if you want different layouts for different types of customers, currencies, or services. First, make sure you're logged into Xero. On the main dashboard, look near the top left and select the company you want to work in. For this walkthrough, I'll be using the demo company, which is a safe environment Xero provides so you can experiment without affecting real data. Go ahead and click on the demo company option, or choose the company where you want to create your new invoice template. Once you're in the correct company, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Settings. This is where Xero keeps most of the configuration tools for your organization. Click on Settings to open up the Settings area. Inside Settings, you'll see several sections related to your organization, like General Settings, Payroll, and Features. What we're interested in is specifically related to invoices. Find and click on Invoice Settings. This is where Xero lets you control how your invoices look and behave. After clicking Invoice Settings, you'll be taken to a page showing your existing invoice branding themes. These might include the default Xero theme or any custom ones you've already made. You don't need to change any of those right now. Instead, we're going to create a completely new theme that you can customize later. Look for the option labeled New Branding Theme. This might appear as a button, usually near the top or to the right side of the list of existing themes. When you click on New Branding Theme, Xero will start the process of creating a fresh template. From here, you'll be able to adjust things like your logo, colors, layout, and the information that appears on your invoices. At this point, you've successfully navigated to the place where new invoice template themes are created and started a brand new theme. From here, you can continue customizing it to match your brand and then apply it to any future invoices you send out.